Rice pudding is a dish that I love with my whole heart, but I wanted to create a version that was both high protein and fit my low carb macros. And this one has 24 grams of protein per serving. It's low carb and so creamy. So I've got 1.25 cups of my favorite low carb milk, which is Yofiit. It has 10 grams of protein and only 2 carbs per cup. Then I'm adding a splash of my favorite non-alcoholic organic vanilla from Native, but I like mine really aromatic, so I'm also going to add a little bit of their vanilla bean powder. Now I'm adding a dash of cinnamon and grabbing my electric mixer, and I'm going to beat in 1 box of Simply Delish's sugar-free keto vanilla pudding mix. It's so easy to use, it's plant-based, so creamy, low carb, and it starts setting up right away, you can see. Then I've just boiled and drained 2 servings of Yofiit's keto zucchini rice. This has 18 grams of protein per serving and only 3 net carbs. We're just gonna stir that in and it's ready to go. I like mine topped with lots of cinnamon and it is so creamy and delicious.